Can I transfer my IRA to physical gold? A step-by-step guide. Investing in physical gold through your individual retirement account can offer stability amidst market fluctuations. Here's step-by-step guide to transfer your IRA to physical gold. 1. Understand the rules. The IRS allows certain IRAs, traditional, Roth, SEP, simple, to hold precious metals like gold, but there are strict guidelines to follow. 2. Check eligibility. Confirm that your IRA type is eligible for gold investments. Employer-sponsored plans may have restrictions. Consult a financial advisor or IRA custodian for guidance. 3. Choose a custodian. Select a self-directed IRA custodian who specializes in precious metal investments. They will ensure compliance with IRS regulations. 4. Initiate the transfer. Complete transfer request forms provided by your custodian, specifying the amount to be allocated to physical gold. 5. Custodian facilitates transfer. The custodian will transfer your IRA funds to a precious metals dealer or depository. 6. Acquire gold. Work with your chosen dealer or depository to purchase gold, considering factors like purity, weight, and storage options. 7. Secure storage. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository to maintain the tax-advantaged status of your IRA. 8. Manage your investment. Regularly monitor market trends and assess portfolio performance. Consult financial advisors to optimize your asset allocation strategy. Transferring an IRA to physical gold can protect your retirement portfolio from economic uncertainties. Ensure compliance with IRS rules, select reliable custodians and dealers, and manage your investment wisely to benefit from gold's enduring value. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.